to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this vacuum sealer right here. Let's go ahead and get right into this and see how it works. So as you can see, I press seal. When it goes to stop, it's ready to open. You open it from the sides right here. There's two buttons. I'm gonna take this. So that's now sealed. So you're gonna pull this down like this. You're gonna close it like that. And you're gonna cut it. Gonna push it in right there, like this, where these two little things are right here. You're gonna close it, and you're going to do, I'm gonna go to automatic. As you can see, it is completely sealed tight and good to go. So these things work amazing. It also does come with this attachment right here, which is for like if you have those bags that have the seal, you can do it that way. And this actually attaches right here. And then you'd put pumping. And you can see, oh my goodness. So it definitely sucks. So as you can see, that's how that works. And then when it's dirty, like if you're doing something that has a lot of juices, you can actually take this out, clean it out, and then when you're done, just put it right back in, and then you're good to go. So super easy to use. You can do, like I said, this is for the pump, seal, or automatic. They work really well. And you can do wet or dry. I did wet, but you can switch it over to dry depending on what mode you want to do. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.